Hey, how's it going? No. Is that better? Or does it just make me look really ill? Welcome back to the channel. This is a channel trying to make films on a budget. This slightly goes against what I've probably just said then, as I've just bought myself a new camera. Probably not going to be for what we do on when we go out and film, because I want to try and keep it to mobile phones and GoPros, but it's still keeping it in the lower range of affordable cameras. I basically paid £1,000 for this camera, which is a lot of money to me, and hopefully hopefully not to you. Some people are better off than others, but it's still exciting for me to open something brand new and being able to film it. And this is a box with my address on it, so don't zoom in. I don't even need a Stanley blade. Look at that. Oh yeah, I do. Got my hopes up then. Right, so open it up. We've got something from Selfridges, which I always thought Selfridges just sold, you know, clothes and aftershave, but apparently not. Apparently they sell cameras too. So it's a yellow box with loads of paper and bits of rubbish. I'm sure they just dumped all their recycling in my box. Not the worst thing that's been dumped in my box. Don't, perverts. But this is what I've bought. I bought the Canon R10. I went down a rabbit hole for like 3 weeks trying to find the perfect camera for what I needed. One, to do a bit of photography and to do some filming. Obviously I was on a budget as well, so I have to try and add that into it. I could have got something second hand, which was a lot better than this, but it's second hand and you never know what you're going to buy. I've already got some decent lenses, so keeping along these lines was something I needed to do. This is like proper sketchy. It looks like a shed because it is a shed. Right, straight away we've got a power cable, which is massive, battery charger, a battery which is out of the box, got some kind of instructions, got the instructions, we got standard Canon strap to get your strap on, stop it, you know, it's naughty. And then we've got a lens, yeah, and we've got the world's tiniest camera. Oh, it's proper diddy. It weighs nothing. I didn't expect it to be as small as this and as light as this. So that's really smart. So that's pretty much all you get in the box. Just get more rubbish. We'll keep the box because if I ever sell it, it's worth a little bit more. Battery's going to go in there, memory card in there. I'm one of these weird people that keep all the packaging as well. This is supposed to come with a adapter so I can attach my lenses to this, which hasn't turned up yet. But look at that, that's diddy. I think my GoPro lens is bigger than that. We probably won't even use this lens, but it's there, so why not? So we just put that on there. So we've got it red to red, and then twist it till it clicks. Fold it round. That is proper small. Not the first time I've heard that. Let's put the battery in as well. It is packaged well. I've ordered myself some extra batteries. They turned up actually before the camera did. Forward thinking and all. And that goes that way. It should do anyway. Yeah. And then we'll turn the power on. Lights up. So this is supposed to be a touch screen. Yeah, let's set the date. It's the 23rd today. London, might as well do London because it's 30 miles away. Take the cap off and let's take my first picture of. I'm gonna have to look into this because I know nothing about it. No card, but it still took a picture. That's weird. Why does it stick out so much? Oh, there you go. Alright, so it folds away to nothing, gets excited and pops it out, and then you can go up, back and forward. Okay. It's just a stupid little video that I wanted to do of me unboxing my new toy. I was, see, OCD, it's got to be straight. Yeah, it cost me a lot of money, so I wanted to make sure I captured it on film, which I should have just done then. Obviously we'll get some decent footage with this in the near future, maybe even shoot a little short film on it and show you guys what I do and what not to do wrong. As always guys, thank you for watching. It's not rocket science, it's just making films. See you next time. Cut.